Early spring flowers are gone, but there are more. Roses, poppies, and above all, it's harvest time for peas. Join me for a short tour here on Juan, where we grow, cook, and share. Hello, good morning. It's almost midday. Welcome to the garden and welcome to Channel Juan and welcome to our late spring tour of the garden. As you've noticed, it's harvest time for the peas. We have updates to share, lots of updates over our vegetables, the flowers, and lots of good things and green things here at the garden. Join me. I can't keep myself from munching these peas. They're delicious. Welcome, welcome to the shady side of the peas. Down here are cabbages. I have here even rucolas. Good. Okay. I overpopulated the plot. And salads. Harvesting 6 cabbages like this soon. What should I do with them? These are Swiss chards. I left them to blossom just for the greens. They are good substitutes for spinach. Not just vegetables, we also have fruits here. Not many, but we have some apples. Promising. And it's harvest time for the bok choy or Chinese cabbage. I still have 4 here. And next to them are eggplants. I don't know. They don't look very healthy. I think they need more sun. More sun. The bok choys and the peaches have begun to blossom. It's time to harvest them. Who wants pechay? You're invited. Come here. And here are my favorite crops. Sweet corn, dahlias. This is the sunniest part of the garden, that's why they're here. I don't know if we have a successful harvest of grapes this year, but they look promising. Shall we have a closer look? Here's one. To the most interesting part for me, the tropical, the polytunnel. Quick, it's warm here. The ampalayas have begun to blossom and bear fruit even. This is the first. Let's wipe the lens and let's do that again. It's hot and steamy here. I don't know if you're seeing something or anything at all, but it's how hot it is and humid. Let's get out. If you're wondering what this harp formation is, these are intended for the string beans. Not string beans, but runner beans. The blooms. These are delicious. The dahlias here are beginning to blossom. Look, the first. And the latest addition to our garden, the fish. There are 5 goldfish here. They're thriving. Minimum maintenance. And a new decor under the pergola. That concludes our tour today. Please come back for the summer tour I hope to have the dahlias in full bloom by then. But I'd like to leave you for now with the other blooms, late spring blooms